Hey guys, welcome to my channel Smart Home, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best dash cams? Here are my full reviews of the best dash cams you can buy today. All the products are linked in the description below. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Viofo A329. I've seen enough car crashes in internet videos and real life to know that dashcams are a wise investment. I've been testing these devices for 4 years now, including those from big names such as Garmin and Nextbase, as well as up-and-coming brands such as Viofo and Mio. While they largely did the same job, newer models are getting ever smarter and more impressive. Some offer compact designs, others have advanced driver assist modes, and some even act as a security cam. Number 2. Nextbase IQ. If you're a fan of being constantly connected, the arrival of the long-awaited Nextbase IQ dashcam is going to be of interest. British-based Nextbase is one of the leading lights in this field, and regularly features in our best dashcams guide, and for good reason too. Now though, with the IQ, it's released its first smart connected dashcam model, which aims to tackle security and safety like nothing before. Nextbase claims that it's offering a trio of world-first features with the IQ dashcam, including Smart Sense Parking, which is designed to assist you with parking maneuvers. There's a voice-activated witness mode that captures recorded evidence in the event of an incident and saves it to the cloud, all while notifying an emergency contact. Plus, there's Live View, which allows connected checks of your car and its surroundings via the Nextbase IQ app. That's just the tip of the iceberg on the features front though. The Nextbase IQ, on paper at least. Number 3. 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni. The 70mm360 Omni 4K dashcam is certainly an upgrade over the original model, with a lot more features and functions, plus extra shooting power too. The dual camera setup makes it an ideal bundle to buy if front and rear coverage is required, while the ability to monitor the cabin and vlog on the go also add value. However, the 70mm360 Omni 4K dashcam is quite a bulbous thing that does hang down from the windshield more than some of the more conventionally designed rivals out there. That might make it less appealing to owners of vehicles with smaller windshields to deal with, but it's a minor point. Overall, the 70mm360 Omni 4K dashcam is a solid performer. Number 4. Garmin DriveCam 76. The Garmin DriveCam 76 fits this bill, but also throws in a dashcam. Like the best dashcams, it quietly records the view ahead on every journey, then securely saves footage if a collision is detected or the manual record icon is tapped. It's an extension of Garmin's DriveSmart family of navigation systems, only with a full HD dashcam attached to the rear of its 7-inch touchscreen display. This edition bumps the price up from $299.99 for the similarly sized DriveSmart 76 to a considerable $449.99/£419.99 for the DriveCam 76. Check out the Garmin promo codes that could help your buying decision. The resolution of the TFT panel is 1024x600. While that pixel count doesn't sound too impressive compared to a modern smartphone or tablet of a similar size. Number 5. Viofo A229 Pro. Are you a good driver? Ask anyone that question, and the answer is usually yes. I was asked this question earlier this year, and my answer was unequivocally affirmative. I'm a great driver, and no, I don't need a dashcam. Having tried the Viofo A229 Pro, I realized that this is incorrect. There are a lot of hazards out there, and having a dashcam can provide a lot of relief. Ultimately, the Viofo A229 Pro dashcam made me a convert. It's the world's first dashcam. With 4K recording at the front and 2K at the rear, and the wide-angle view means most things are recorded. It's excellent, and after fixing a couple of step snafus, which proved crucial, it convinced me that every car needs a dashcam. The Viofo A229 Pro dashcam uses G-sensor functionality to detect movement in your vehicle and capture anything pertinent. Suppose you have an incident that it detects. In that case, Number 6. Thinkware Q200 2-channel 2K QHD dashcam. The Thinkware Q200 is a dual-channel dashcam that aims to strike a balance between high-quality video recording, user-friendly operation, and advanced safety features, without reaching the premium price tag of Thinkware's flagship models. It records in 2K QHD resolution at the front and 1080p Full HD at the rear, making it a suitable choice for drivers who want reliable evidence in case of accidents, parking lot incidents, or road disputes. And the design is compact and screenless, which makes it discreet and less noticeable from outside the vehicle. Instead of an onboard screen, it relies on the Thinkware Dashcam Link app, via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for live view, playback, and settings adjustments. Mounting uses adhesive for a firm hold on the windshield. Build sturdy, heat-resistant casing with a supercapacitor instead of a lithium-ion battery, which improves reliability in hot climates. Cabling